Welcome everyone to a short journey into the heart of power and performance. Kicking off the show is the brain of our operation, the Asus ROG Maximus Z790 Hero motherboard. Meet the maestro's right-hand man, the Core i9-13900KS, a processing powerhouse that not only handles intense gaming but also lays the foundation for seamless AR experiences. Glide seamlessly through the digital realm with 2TB of Samsung 990 Pro M.2 NVMe. The nimble storage solution that ensures AR assets load in the blink of an eye, allowing developers to sculpt virtual worlds effortlessly. With the Kingston HyperX Fury Renegade RAM, we're talking muscle memory, a whopping 256 gigs of sheer speed, essential for juggling complex frameworks and making real-time adjustments without missing a beat. Housing this technological marvel is the Cooler Master HAF 700 Evo case, a fortress not just for your hardware but a launchpad for AR innovation, where ideas are protected and nurtured into immersive digital experiences. Behold the visual masterpiece, the MSI RTX 4090 Supreme X. Having 24 GB of VRAM, it's not just a graphics card but a portal to alternate realities.